ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT, Generative Pre-training Transformer, architecture, which is a neural network-based model that uses self-attention mechanisms to generate text. ChatGPT has been trained on a dataset of over 570 gigabytes of text. This dataset consists of a diverse range of internet text such as books, articles, and websites. It is capable of generating human-like text, including responses in conversational contexts. This is done by using the context of the previous sentences to generate the next sentence. ChatGPT has been fine-tuned for a variety of language tasks, such as question answering, language translation, and summarization. The model has 175 billion parameters, making it one of the largest language models currently available. This allows it to understand and generate text with a high degree of accuracy and fluency. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned on a smaller dataset to achieve state-of-the-art results on specific language tasks. This allows researchers and developers to fine-tune the model to specific use cases. The model can also be used to generate creative writing, poetry, and even code. This allows developers and researchers to use the model in a wide range of application. The pre-trained weights of the model are available for download and can be used for a variety of language tasks. This allows developers and researchers to use the model in their projects without the need to train the model from scratch. ChatGPT is being actively developed and improved by OpenAI, with new versions of the model being released regularly. This allows the model to continue to improve and stay current with the latest advancements in NLP. ChatGPT is being actively developed and improved by OpenAI, with new versions of the model being released regularly. The model was trained using a variant of the transformer architecture, which uses self-attention mechanisms to understand and generate text. The GPT-3 version of ChatGPT was trained on a dataset of over 570 gigabytes of text, which is significantly larger than the dataset used for previous versions of the model. GPT-3 version of ChatGPT can perform several advanced NLP tasks such as text completion, question answering, and language translation without fine-tuning. ChatGPT is capable of understanding the context of a conversation and generating appropriate responses. The model has been used in a wide range of applications, including chatbots, automated writing, and language translation. ChatGPT can generate text in multiple languages, including English, Spanish, French, and Chinese. The model has been fine-tuned on a variety of datasets, including the Squad dataset for question answering and the Walmart dataset for machine translation. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more.